Namaste. Hello everyone. This is the Master Sandeep here from Vietnam. I wish you all doing well. Today I will teach you how to fix your shoulder. Okay? Three easy posture. Okay, three easy posture. First you have to lay down on your mat. Lay down on your mat. The first is a boat pose. Okay, raise your hands forward. Inhale, hands up. Exhale. This posture you have to do 3 to 5 times, okay, with the breathing, and at last you have to hold the 7 second, okay. This 5 times, inhale, exhale, okay. This 3 to 5 times, and each side you have to hold posture the 7 second. Next is Dhanurasana, bowl pose. Catch your both ankle, lay down on your mat. Okay, your feet together. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. 3 to 5 times. Okay. This can help you to lose your belly fat also. Okay. Next, your feet open. Okay, feet open. And flat your toes. Interlock your both hands. Chin down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each exercise, each posture hold 7 seconds. Okay. These 3 easy asana to fix your shoulder straight back. Okay. Thank you so much.